This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Discoveries, their physical computing unit, and I'm on the lesson Program Design Process. Display the winner. The winning screen doesn't actually know who won the game. Let's fix that now. Okay, do this before the set call to set screen, which is what we added last time, way down here. Add a set property block to change the text property of winner to the display of the actual winner. Got it. So here's our win screen, and here's where I wrote winner. And the ID for that is winner. So I want to change that to display, well, the actual winner. So what should I set it to? I'm going to go set property, there we are. And I'll do this before the set screen. And then what property do I want to set? I want to set the property of winner. And then what do I want to set it to? I want to set the text. And then what do I want to set it to? I'm going to set it to our player up here, right? Whatever our player was, because that's the parameter we're using. So when I check win, right? So for example, I check win red right here. So the computer looks around, runs this function when it finds it, and says, oh, player is a variable now, and it equals red, because that's what I had right here. Or when I run it with check win blue, blue would then equal player. And so we make sure every time it says player, not player underscore y, that's different, but just where it says player, it means whatever we had in the parameter. So if we're running it when we said check when red, we're going to say, all right, our new variable player underscore y is going to be equal to get the property of red's y value, and player underscore y will equal player red's y value. If that y value is greater than 350, meaning our player is down here somewhere, we're going to winner text, and I want to set it to, well, our parameter, player, because remember, that will either be blue or red depending on when we're running it, and whatever that is the person who must have their y value greater than 350, because we're running it with their name as player. Okay, that should do that part. Oh, I think we got it. Let's test. Ta-da! That's cool. Awesome. Let's keep going.